Hi guys, it's Ilene here, and I have for you another Dollar Tree haul for the month of June. I'm super excited to share my new finds with you. If you have been here before, thanks for stopping back again, and if you're new to my channel, I'm so happy that you've stopped on by. Now, I've had a lot of DIYs in mind. However, I hurt my hand at the beach this past weekend, being a little too aggressive, trying to play frisbee, and I sprained my hand and all my fingers, so I have not been able to do the DIYs that I've had in mind. It's starting to feel better, I can bend it, but I can't use my strength too well. But I was able to get through the week finding my Dollar Tree haul items, and I'm gonna share them with you. So let's get started. If you like my video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my uploads to come. So, the Dollar Tree has gotten in so many new summer items for the beach or picnics, barbecues, etc. So, I picked up a few things. My favorite thing that I found were these sandwich containers. Now, these are a lot larger than the usual containers that have sandwiches. So I'm gonna open it and show you. And they had these in lots of colors. It's pretty deep. You could fit a sandwich, a pickle on the side, throw some chips on the other side, and you could sit very nicely at the beach or outside. And if you haven't finished everything, you could just cover it up, put it back in your cooler. The nice hard plastic will keep it from getting squashed in your bag. And I picked up 2 of these so that when my boyfriend and I go to the beach, we could pack up our sandwiches and not let them get squashed. So I thought this was great. I've hauled these before. These are the soup containers. I love these. These are great. I bring my oatmeal in these. My boyfriend packs his rice and beans in these things for work. And these are great. You just zap your food in it and it keeps everything hot. It works real well. They're dishwasher safe, microwave safe. So I picked up 2 more of these. Now they have so many new storage baskets and items in that area in many different colors in aqua, orange, gray, and the only thing I picked up was this mini little garbage pail. I thought this was super cute. It has a lid on it, which I like because my cats like to go digging in the garbage pail for whatever garbage they could find. Tissues, Q-tips. So this is a good idea for me to keep by the side of my bed for my garbage. Now they have a lot of new signs and decor coming out, and I've been on the hunt for some things that I've been looking to find that others have, and I haven't found them yet, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm looking for. But one of the things I did find, which I wanted, was this adorable flamingo sign. Look how cute this is, and it's a flock, yeah. I just thought this was a must-have, and I picked one of these up. It's made of wood. It's the Greenbrier brand, the Dollar Tree brand, and it's pretty sturdy. And if you are like me and you don't like these sparkles coming off, you could just spray it with some hairspray, and that will keep the glitter from falling everywhere and getting removed. In the beauty aisle, I picked up one of these exfoliating scrubs. This is a deep cleansing exfoliating sponge infused with apricot and green tea. I thought this would be great to give a shot. It has 7 washes per sponge, and this would be great in the summer, I was figuring, to remove all the dead skin from when you go to the beach and you get tan and get the yucky layers off. And you get 7 uses. I thought this was great for $1. I can't wait to try it. We'll see how it works. I also picked up a bottle of this Goo Gone. I always need Goo Gone, and my Goo Gone actually just ran out, so this was perfect timing to find this bottle at the Dollar Tree. This is 2 fluid ounces, and I thought you can't go wrong. Goo Gone works amazing to get goopy, sticky things like stickers and tags off of items, so pick this up. I also found these push lights. These are LED push lights, and I thought this would be great because it is LED and my closet is very dark, so I thought I would give these a shot. They take AAA batteries, So I went ahead and I purchased the Dollar Tree batteries. I love the Dollar Tree batteries. They work fantastic, especially these ones that say high drain. I've told you guys this before, that at the Dollar Tree, they have high drain and low drain batteries. And if you could find the high drain, I always suggest picking them up. They work just as well as Duracell batteries for just $1. Whenever I go to the Dollar Tree with my little man, he has to find things he wants, of course. So this time he had me pick him up one of these timers. They had a lot of sand timers in different colors. I took some pictures. His favorite color is blue, so he wanted a blue one. And this is a great idea to use for different things when you want to play games with the kids and set a timer. So I picked one of these up. They also had these really fun origami sets, and actually I'm excited to try this. They had them in other types. They had farm animals. This one I picked up is the Dinosaur Craze. It says on here it's for 6+. I'm hoping that I could figure this out because I always wanted to do origami and I thought this would be great. And I love dinosaurs. I have 2 bearded dragons which remind me of dinosaurs. And I just want to make some decorations and see how this goes. Also in the kid row, my little one wanted me to pick up some cones. They had these orange cones which were 2 for $1, so that was a great deal. And he wanted to build his racetrack for his cars even further and have a different variety of cones. So we got the big cones and these little cones. And these little cones are extremely cute. This one says, "You're terrific." This one says, "Great job." And this one also says, "Great job." So they had them in green, blue, pink, and the big ones were in orange. So we got 5 cones for a little mini racetrack. That's adorable. They also, at the Dollar Tree, they always have lots of flashcards. They have addition, subtraction, letters, numbers, but I've never saw first grade money. So I picked this up because we need to teach our kids money, how to use money, how to make change. They don't get it. They just want you to buy everything they see and they have no idea. So next year, my little one is going into first grade and I picked up this first grade money flashcards. With the stationery, a lot of people have found these and this was my first time finding these little cards that are beautiful. They have the gold, they have different ones inside. It has 8 inside and I really just thought these would be great for little thank you notes when you have to give them for any certain occasion that you get a gift and you need to write a thank you note. I thought a package of these would be cute. I would have got more. This was the only one they had. So I picked one of these up. I also found some more stencils I was excited to find, and I do have a simple DIY in mind when my hand heals. So this one is Home Sweet Home, and this one says live for today, dream for tomorrow. And I just thought that these were super adorable, and I cannot wait to do something with these. I also was fortunate to find these Shopkins Crayola markers. Our markers, unfortunately, the boys are very careless. They do not always put the cover on. And to find Crayola markers, there's 3 in a pack, and they have different smells to them, these Shopkin markers. So I picked up 3 packs of the markers. I'm always lighting candles. I love candles and I love to use them outside now to keep those bugs away. So I picked up another lighter. I find these work really well. They last for quite some time and it's pink, it's cute, and I plan to use this tonight when I hang outside and enjoy the nice weather. So that sums up my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I truly hope you guys enjoyed watching my Dollar Tree haul. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what was your favorite item that I found and what items are you looking for at your Dollar Tree. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified of my uploads to come. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!